Miss the sunset.
Here we go.
How's the community? Anyway.
The world is ours today. And we've only just begun. Chasing
You can join us for
Hi, Misho! Hello! So today we're gonna go to Zambales. Miggy has been craving for Cinnabon. Since nung may sakit pa siya. Gusto mo na ba yung Cinnabon mo? Ay, mini-bon nila to. Sobrang nostalgic ng Cinnabon for me.
Bumilis tayo. Kapag titingin na yung Prado, sabi yung Pogi Prado nito. Bago gusto ko yan. Puti. Pwede mag-trade. Ngingiti siya eh.
Ang cute ng mga car enthusiasts, no? Parang you like seeing...
Oh yeah,
hindi ka inggit, no?
Yes! I love the community. It should always be like that.
Kaya nga babe, yung LC3, bilhin mo na yun.
You see things, di ka naiingit. Parang na-inspire ka.
Ikaw, di ba, pag may na-meet ka na car na kasalubong, binibip mo.
O pag maganda. Ayan, magulang tayo ng chips. Ang sila. Oh, tosino. Pero ang liit. Oh. Anyway, gutom na ako. Let us eat. Tulog si Jenny.
Gagawin dito po sa Lupit.
Ano daw?
Human daw siya.
Eh, ba't sila Kuromi, sila may melody based on ano sila eh, based on animal sila lahat eh. O, to si Hello Kitty tao. Ano to, siraan ng childhood. Today is a Saturday. So, nung Thursday, parang nagkaayaan kami na wala tayong plan sa weekend, wala rin work. So, we wanted to do like a quick weekend reset. And then we saw this island on TikTok called Capones, which I think is like a boat ride from here. Wanna visit it. Sabi nila parang 500 pesos per person to ride the boat. I don't know for how long. We left my house at 8. Anto sila na.
Serious.
Everybody be aware, we are entering an area with toxic.
What are you doing? Are we guys horrible? Hello, so I took a shower. I have super thin, fine hair that my parents does. But feeling ko naminipis lalo yung hair ko kasi grabe ako mag-hot shower. So, trying to avoid that actually. I always get a lot of questions about my zippies. They're called zippies. So, reusable siya and resealable na pouch. Of course, I have my toiletries with me. Like, I have a spray and pump airless bottles. Mga siya pag nagagamit yun na. So, you're able to use all of the products na walang sayang. Let's go.
If I could have you always, always. If I could have you always, always.
We missed the sunset by a few minutes.
but I saw it with my eyes. I wasn't able to take a video, but just look at this view. It's so amazing. The mountain is so beautiful. Imagine waking up to this every day. Grabe.
Ayaw mo na ata. Roberto sa drawer.
Mang Tomas pa o meron?
Ito.
Ay.
Meron pang
Kaya ko naman sabaw eh. Kung ulit-ulit araw-araw.
May binapit ka sa akin.
Ito.
Ano mo? Dapat ginawa eh.
Pas na ako. Diba? Meron tayo.
Yung? May dito kami nag-shopping.
Ayan lang
Yan lang. Tapos ito, tignan mo, dito kami bumili ng mga meat sa mga talipapa. Ang ganda! Jowa on duty. Love, picturean mo ako. Dream. Ayan, bigyan mo ka ba nag-walk? Yung isa doon. Pangga! Pangga, picture mo ako dito. Hi, Mishia! Nag-goggles na. Mag-swimming na yan. Oh. And just me and Mishi chillin'.
Love you.
Like a dinner, like a rah.
Love you.
Love you, my baby, forever. We chillin' like a dinner, like a rah. Yada yada la. Put your feet like this. It's a cute montage. La. Look at my thingalo. It's for bad people.
Ano naman yung kulay ng legs ko sa legs?
Look at it, the leg so. Mishi is a darker version of my leg so. You don't know how to wrap. Wavings are wavings. Let things be. What flows. What crashes.
Tapos alam mo maganda sa makita? Di kaya talaga ako from there.
No. Medyo mahal po ang cup noodles dito sa isla. Bibili nyo na yung cup noodles. May 200 luto fee pa. Splitwise mo na lang, di?
Lab, okay na yung yakisoba.
331. Wala pa kami maayos sa pagkain. Kaya yung usapan parang nabubusog sa kwento.
Tinago ko eh.
Bako ha?
Ay, 5K lang muna. As if naman nagtitraining tayo na maayos na pinaghahandaan nyo.
Come on!
What can I just say? I would say I was well prepared for aquatic.
Oo, totoo naman.
True.
After nun, nawala na kayo ng gana.
Yes!
Sarap! Masarap na ito. Parang yung ginog.
Special din yan. Special din ang mahal ko yan.
Wala ka ako alam ko na to.
Mahal.
Pina ko lang nakain ko ito na niluto ni Ray. Ito.
First ang bag. Minsan na lang ako gumawa ng yakisoba, mali pa.
Dito ko kaya ako sa buhay so. Lagi na sa baho.
Oh! Ano yung binigay yan sa
Kay Kuli, tsaka kay Andy, ay kay Andy.
Eh, ganun din daw pala ginawa ni Andy.
Hindi mo ba nabasa o di mo talaga alam? O hindi mo ba siya?
Ihaw.
Oh.
Inihaw.
Inihaw
Suba
ko.
means
Lagun yun.
ihaw. Ihaw.
Tapos nilagay ko sa
Yung ganggang.
Kada uwi ko sa school, yan ang dinadaanan ko.
Parang nga lang siyang banana.
Malitaw. Ang nag-introduce ng Pyro sa akin si Arcana.
Eh, yung ano,
Eh, ba?
alpahor. Masarap.
Alam mo, tayo na kasi may tawag na alpahor doon.
Iba talaga.
God, friends! Sino alpahor? Ayun, ginataan tawag mo na.
Big meat sa amin yan.
Sa amin, alpahor.
Yan meron, boy.
Ha?
Holy Week.
3 round yan, babe.
Oo, wala around yan, boy.
Okay.
Hello! We're out from our
Hindi
nap.
ka na nakapag...
3 hours.
Nakapagpalabas ng mga
Sama-sama.
Kayo na pinakasama ako. Siya yung
What
pinakos.
if I'm short 30 minutes? Kaya pa na yung
Sino gusto champurado for dinner?
Basta may ano, may friend
These are the gifts we're given that make life worth living. You got a song worth singing and a fire to lead you home.
Guys, we are back in Manila. So we left Zambales around 1:30 p.m. and then we went to Songdo-won for dinner. And now I am dumping and editing the files. I'm so excited. And also, by the way, hindi ko pa pala kayo na update. I'll give you more updates tomorrow morning. As you can see, we're back in my old room. And I will be decluttering tomorrow. As I told you guys, this room will be my new walk-in closet. But since this is the bigger room, then move everything pataas. Tapos pag na-clear out na sa baba, that's when we move the bed downstairs since it's a pretty small room. I don't know if it's just me, but I always have a hard time like going to the toilet when I'm traveling. I don't know kung namimili ba ng toilet yung puwet ko. You guys know that I love my Trizzy for my gut health, for debloating. Kami lahat guilty this weekend na medyo unhealthy kinain namin since we weren't really prepared. So if you're gonna go to San Antonio area in Zambales, make sure you do your groceries either in Manila or in Subic area because when you're staying near the beach, there's no supermarket talaga. Since we don't have a lot of groceries, na punta kami sa mga instant food. So we have to debloat and release everything. It feels so nostalgic because this is my 4th year with Trizzy. It's our first ever fiber drink, the clean fiber. So among all of the fiber drinks from Trizzy, this is the strongest one. So this one can kickstart your weight loss journey. This one has fat burners as well. And bumili na rin ako ng bago kong shaker. Kung naalala nyo, meron akong ganito before. And after 6 to 8 hours, the toilet will be calling you. Then you will be releasing all the toxins. Hala, grabe, non-stop rain. So I hope you guys are okay and safe. And you guys have seen all of my before and after with Trizzy. There's no like shortcut with like my fitness goals, but I feel like it's very parang alam mo yung may extra push ka na when you see a result, motivating you to set goals. After that, fastest way to prepare is really with the shaker because it has a spring that makes everything easy. But if you don't have it, you can definitely just use a fork and fast here, like it with cold water. Time check, it is 3 a.m. I'm still gonna edit. Kasi sobrang excited ko na, parang alam yun, sobrang namiss ko mag-edit and sobrang excited din ako na mapanood niyo yung vlog na to. Good night, I will see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, good morning. This is the next day and I wanna show you my tummy from Trizzy. It has been 11 hours after. It took me 2 runs to the toilet. This is the after. There.
Kung nakikita, wala pa akong contacts. But pakita ko rin pala sa inyo yung kwarto. Another life update. Real-time na update ko to sa broadcast channel ko. So, if you're not part of that, you can join us for real-time chika and update. So, ayan na. Ito na yung room natin dati. We're gonna turn it into a walk-in closet finally. Nakakatawa kasi nag-weekend lang ako. Biglang puno na siya. Like, paano yan nangyari? But I think, meron kasi akong rack na nasa labas ng walk-in na puro workout clothes. Alam niyo yun, nag-reels ako with that, diba? So, nilagay nila dito. So, pinatry na ng nanay ko, bawasan yung kalat ko sa... Hindi, she is helping me na we slowly transition na magbaliktad na. So, first step, I think first step, baby, is to move all the clothes here, no? So, yun. Ito yung mga dresses ko. Pero, I don't think I need them here. Dito natin siya ilalagay sa old closet ko. I'm gonna show you.
Sa bang issue, babe?
Anong issue?
Sa dami ng bags mo, do you think that space will hold naman, no?
If not, nakita ko si Jamie, naglagay siya ng mga top favorite bags niya.
Oh, yeah, pwede.
Dito, tsaka doon. By the way, guys, this is IKEA pack system, not sponsored. I have to buy it. Itong buong set na to, 50K. Tapos, sobrang sumama yung loob ko kasi 30K yung isang peraso na yon. But that's because may mga, pakita ko sa inyo, may mga glass kasi siya. Pero, ang maganda kay IKEA, depende sa budget mo. Kaya mo siya ipa-work. Kasi nga, parang customizable siya. So, ayan. Luna, don't wiwi, anak. Ito siya, oh. Ito. Pwede nyo siya i-customize dun sa website. And then, you just bring the QR code doon. And then, they scan it. Tapos, ma-add to cart na lahat. Pero, so, ito yung total. Kung gusto nyo ng ganyan. Tapos, ito yung itong pinagsasandalan nito. Siya yung 30K. Sobrang, sabi ko, paano? Ba't ang mahal? Kasi glass yung drawers. Hello na, bestie ko. Itong compliments. Doon din siya binibili sa IKEA for jewelry. I would suggest i-design nyo na siya sa website bago kayo pumunta doon. Para pagdating doon, bibili nyo na lang siya. Or actually, pwede rin pala online. Mishi is helping me. Thank you, love. I appreciate it. Okay, ganito yung itsura niya, guys. Tada! So, you're gonna choose your own compliments naman. I think I should have baliktad this so the rings would go here. Lagyan ako. What should I put here?
Dito, yung mga malalaki mo. Dito necklace, glasses, watch.
So, pa ko isa here. Meron din ganito, guys. Parang divider lang. Hala, bumili ako ng ano nito, ah.
Pad?
Ng padding sa ilalim.
Meron pa yan. Wala.
How are we gonna make this fit? This is so old now. 3 years. Pili ko to parang 5th anniversary namin yung Mickey. So, parang 5 years na. Ay, ito pala yung nasira natin, Jing. Now I'm fixing some of the jewelry I usually use.